Hello.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can back up your files from your old iPhone and transfer to your new iPhone. I will be using an iPhone 6s Plus to transfer my files to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, so before starting you need to make sure that you have backed up every file on your iCloud. Okay, to do that just go to settings. Okay, click on your iCloud. Sorry, click on your iCloud backup and hit backup now. Okay, so after you have done that, go and set up the new iPhone. Okay, so hit go, continue, hit next.
Remember door?
Okay, the phone should the old iPhone should detect the new iPhone. So it is just detected before, but I just cancel it to explain you the backup thing. So I'm gonna have to reboot it and start all over. Okay, so the old iPhone just detected there is another iPhone device near of it. So it is asking you to set up a new iPhone. Okay, perfect. So you should hit continue. And on the other phone will show an iPhone barcode. You need to scan it with your old iPhone. Let me do that right now. Okay, perfect. That's all we needed for the old iPhone. Now we have only the new iPhone to set up. Enter passcode of your other phone. So you should enter the passcode of the old phone. Okay, let me type it right now. Perfect. Setting up your iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So this depends only also on the Wi-Fi connection. You should have a strong Wi-Fi connection in order to continue with these steps. Let's wait a bit more. Okay, Face ID, you can continue to set up now. I'm gonna set up later in the settings. Transfer data from iPhone, the old iPhone to the new iPhone. You're gonna hit OK. Setting up your Apple ID. Okay, so it is asking you to enter the password of your iCloud on the old iPhone. Okay, again setting up the Apple ID. We need to wait a bit more. Terms and conditions, you need to agree normally. Location services, I'm gonna keep it disabled for now, and you can enable. I can enable later from settings. Okay, analytics, I will not share with Able, but it's up to you. True tone display, hit OK, continue. And the appearance, you need to choose the light or dark mode. I'm gonna choose the dark mode, continue. Okay, so I need to enter the password. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this step actually. Okay, so you can see that there are files transferring from the old iPhone to the new iPhone 11. This may take a while depending on how much files that you have, depending on the internet connection. Okay, so this will take about 6 minutes, 8 minutes it says now. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll get back to you when the file is almost, when the transfer is almost done. Okay? Okay, so the transfer just completed and it turns out it shows this page after that. So you need to wait a bit until the bar loads. Okay, so the phone just started. Swipe up to unlock. Okay, let me enter the password. So the passcode is the same with the old iPhone. Restore completed. Setting up the iPhone. This is the final setup. Continue, continue. Again, welcome to iPhone. Okay, so here we are. You should have the same apps. Even the applications that are not downloaded will download when you connect to Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, so let me show you that you have completely same things from your old iPhone. You can see from the background, the application organization. Here we go to settings. Okay, let me go. So here we have the measure, settings, health, and the App Store. Same on both phones. The books are loading on the new iPhone. Okay, let me see. Here we have the phone calls, which also are the same over here. Even the photos, even if you don't have the photos, they will start loading once you're connected to Wi-Fi, and in a few minutes you will have completely transferred the files from your old iPhone to the new iPhone. Okay guys, thanks for watching, give it a like and subscribe.